Yo, take on Ray, take on Ray. What's good? What's good? Yeah, I'm just gonna probably start do some streaming today. Uh, Yo, take on Ray, take on
Oh
Ray. What's
fuck!
good?
Wait,
What's
wait,
good?
wait, wait, wait.
Anyways, so probably do some streaming. A few Gentoo dev stuff here and there. Gonna work on some packages, then learn Rust. Yeah, it's really nice to see you in here. Did you fix your encoding issue? Because if I remember correctly, you were having some encoding issue with your current stream. I think it was your GPU doing something bad, or it was probably with your. Oh, you're still streaming? Wait, hold up. Let me check. Let me check. Yo, you're still streaming? Holy shit. Holy shit. Wait, let me hop into your stream for a few minutes. You gotta find that GCC ice. Huh. Nice. So you're still having the color problems. Interesting. Huh. So anyways, I'm gonna close the browser for now. I can probably, yeah, I can probably do this too. And wait, hold up. I need to turn on streaming mode. Go to private mode, go to Discord, and where the fuck is streaming mode? Appearance. Bruh. What? Okay, okay, it's there. It's there. Nice. So, okay, so I can do this now. And copy text. Probably do this. Uh, this. And ping people. Nice. And send that. Yo, Sleepy Shaman 479. Hello, hello. This is probably gonna be Gentoo dev stream. I'm probably gonna package some softwares, then I'm probably gonna learn Rust. Uh, I don't know if you're still there. Is this your first time on stream? Let me send that notification. Yeah, nice, nice. So I'm currently just updating my Discord server about the notification, my stuff notification, and forwarding that to other servers. Then I'm probably gonna get into the program stuff. What Linux distro do you use? Do you use Arch, Gentoo, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian? I don't know. Do you use Linux? I use Arch at the moment. Ah, nice, nice, nice. So just vanilla Arch or something like Artix or EndeavourOS? Because yeah, a lot of people say they use Arch, but they're using something like Artix or EndeavourOS. I mean, a lot of the people actually do use the vanilla Arch, but yeah. To be honest, I have never used Artix. Although I do use OpenRC in Gentoo nowadays, so I might use Artix, I might not. I don't know. Vanilla with Noctalia, Quickshell, and Hyperland. Ah, nice. I've actually wanted to get into the Quickshell stuff, and when I actually first started with Linux, I was getting into Rising. I got into Hyperland and stuff like that. Like you can see my Waybar config, and this was my first ever Rice, and I've just kept it until now. I've not really changed a thing, except a few stuff, minor tweaking here and there. So, anyways, I actually wanted to get into Quickshell, but yeah, it feels like kinda, it just feels kinda time consuming, to say the least. Although I don't like Hyperland that much. I have used Hyperland, but the stuff with Vaxtree, the stuff with Vaxtree himself and Hyperland just getting more bloated features. Yeah, it's just a pain in the ass. Although I have seen Vaxtree talking about implementing a Lua config in Hyperland. So if Vaxtree implements a Lua config for Hyperland, I might just use Hyperland. Although I'm not fully sure, because I love Lua configs. You can do so much shit with it. It's really epic. I'm currently using just Sway, because yeah, Sway's nice. Agreed. I did my own, but I lost everything, so ran with Noctalia to get back up and running. Yeah, didn't you use any Git repo? Yo, Chandan Kumar JD6PO. Hi, hi. I'm probably guessing for the name. If you have Chandan Kumar in your name, you're probably from South Asia. I'm guessing that. Because as a fellow South Asian, yeah, you're probably from South Asia. Just call me CK though. Uh, I mean, look, I can like fully pronounce Chandan Kumar. Because, yeah, I'm from South Asia. So, yeah. Your sway looks riced. Huh, thanks. To be honest, I didn't actually rice it that much. All I did was tweak this stuff, the border colors, and mostly the layout thing. When you open your windows, yeah, I've just used the Windows stuff, and that's about it. I did not. I was just transitioning from Mac and Windows. Yeah, that kind of sucks. I have seen people lose their like extremely time-consuming configs because they didn't do a git repo and then they didn't do a backup, and it's like extremely painful to see. I'm on Cache OS right now and starting with NEOVIM. This shit hard. Uh, what's hard, NEOVIM or Cache? I've never used Cache OS myself. I think it's based on Arch. I don't know. If was it based on Arch? Was Cache based on Arch? A chat. Was Cache based on Arch, or am I tripping? NEOVIM Cache OS and is based on Arch. Nah. So I was right. Yeah. I mean, NEOVIM shouldn't be that hard. Like, look, if you're starting with NEOVIM, the best advice I could give you, is just either start from scratch or use kickstart.nvim. Do not use lazyvim. Do not use stuff like lunarvim, lazyvim, chadnvim. Yeah, those stuff will literally hurt your learning experience. Because I have seen a lot of people using stuff like lazyvim, using stuff like chadnvim, and then they really can't do like they really can't figure out their keybinds, they really can't figure out their configs, and they have to ask for support. And when people ask them like normal questions, for example, uh, like do you have this? Did you do that? They don't even know what to tell. So yeah, it's all a mess, lol, and it's hard to do anything because I'm overwhelmed because I use lazy. So that sucks. Look, you don't have to switch your text editor in like a single day. You know what I mean? If you're using like something like lazyvim, or if you're using something like, for example, VS Code or Emacs or whatever, you can just move on from it slowly. You know what I mean? Like, I've seen people and I myself just switch to NeoVim day one. However, you can just switch slowly and try to switch slowly. Yo, Holden Blade Runner 2150 LL. So is this your first time on stream? If so, welcome to the stream. Anyways, as I was saying, CK, to you, yeah, I would advise you to just try to build your... Look, if you want to know NeoVim, and if you want to know the nitty-gritty stuff, I would recommend you try to learn NeoVim and start your own config from scratch. However, if you just want a setup and if you just want the end result, yeah, you can use probably like something like lazyvim or something like that. However, if you want to tinker, if you're a tinkerer and if you want to learn stuff, then I would recommend like going through the help pages, watching videos and stuff like that, and learning NeoVim and try to learn NeoVim. And I actually have, like, shameless self promo, I know, I actually have a NeoVim series. I should really continue it. However, you can get the basics from it, right? I have that on my YouTube, Approaching NeoVim the Right Way. And I haven't uploaded to that series for a while because I'm busy with other dev stuff. However, you can try to give this a watch if you want. If not, then that's fine too. You can watch the Primogen 0 from LSP. You can watch this, and also TJ DeVries. TJ DeVries is a fucking madman. I have nothing but respect for this guy. Like, this person is a fucking legend. This person is an absolute fucking legend. So their advent of NEOVIM is absolutely base, and their other playlists too. So you can give that a try too if you want. But if you're a man page reader, what you can do is in your free time, just open up NEOVIM. Like, let me open up clean NEOVIM. Let me open up the base NEOVIM, right? Just open up NEOVIM and you can just type in tutor and it opens up a tutorial. So you can just use that. For example, it's also interactive, by the way. So you can try to fix this. So you see that this shows, right? X mark. So you can try to fix this. Let me so that turns into a check mark. So yeah, it's interactable. And yeah, this is really great to get started with NEOVIM. And then you can just open up help. And yeah, you can see the NEOVIM intro and just read from there in your free time. For example, if you're eating and you were planning to watch a YouTube video or something, you can just eat and just read through the NEOVIM intro, just skim through it a little bit. So yeah, that's really great too, for beginners at least. Because the docs is the best way. Like, I literally say it on my course. Wait. Where is the fucking playlist? Read the docs. You're welcome. So yeah, this is kind of funny, although yeah. Anyways, so we were busy forwarding my notification to other Discord servers. So that's 4, and then the overzealots. Okay, not that person, but the promo overzealots, right? So send that to 5 people. And then Codico and Butterfly Sanctuary, I think. So promo, Codico. Okay, not that. Me streaming register. Content Lutris. 2swap is awesome. I've not heard about 2swap. What's 2swap? What the hell is 2swap? I don't know if Take on RevX is still here, though. 2swap. What's 2swap? Oh, a channel? Wait, let me check them out. Oh, this I think I've seen a few videos from them. Yeah. I just forgot their name. I just forgot their name. I think I saw, yeah, I saw Connect 4. I think I saw that video for a bit at least. And this I don't know why YouTube doesn't show this, but Mandelbrot's evil twin. Like one night, I remember I was like bored as fuck, and I just saw like a shitload of Mandelbrot visualizations, and holy hell, those shit look cool as fuck. Content and was the prices when I'm I've been looking at you, a screaming hollow stream. Live streams all night. Did it send? Hold up. It did not. Huh? Bruh, what? Bruh. Bro, no way. Anyways, I don't fucking know. Anyways, let me close Discord for now. Okay, not that. Bad. So, what are we gonna do today? A coded Malbroth in the slide open office suite spreadsheet app. Ugh, I don't know what's wrong with my pronunciation today. Anyways, a coded Mantelbrot on the in-flight open office suite spreadsheet app once. You mean the wait, you mean the Microsoft? Oh, sorry, not Microsoft. The Open Office one. Huh. Nice. I don't know why my brain instantly thought about Microsoft Excel, and I was like, huh? What? What is this person talking about? Microsoft Excel in a Gentoo chat? I was reading Microsoft Office Suite like in my head, and yeah, that was confusing. Interesting. Pragmata runs on Cashew OS. Huh. Doesn't Pragmata have Denuvo? Or am I tripping? Cause oh wait, Crimson Desert had Denuvo. Let me check. Does Pragmata have Denuvo? Wait, Pragmata does have Denuvo. So, huh? Pragmata has Denuvo. So did they use the hypervisor bypass? Uh, Interesting. 32 gigabytes of DDR5? Holy shit! Wait, what? They're saying that they're using Cashew OS, right? Cashew OS Linux. In here, they're saying that they're using Windows 11. So, what the fuck is going on? Huh? For the love of God, please don't screw my God. Huh? Wait. Let me check. Wait. Are they actually using Cashew or what? I'm kind of confused. Allows enable ray tracing. Oh, they own the game on Steam, I guess. Huh. They Could be using offline activation. Oh, fuck. I should not be talking about this much on stream. I should not be giving out this much info what I know about. Anyways, fuck the Denuvo though. I will say that on stream. I don't fucking care. Fuck the Denuvo. I wonder if my Twitch stream is still going on or did it got closed by that. Never mind. Fuck it up. Twitch TV, select general. I'm not showing you my Twitch homepage. Ayo chat. Look. Show some support for my friend Take on Ray here. Like they're based as fuck. Although currently I'm not able to watch their live because first of all I'm streaming myself. And second of all, they're kinda having some desktop issues, some encoding issues. However, show some fucking love. Anyways, I was about to package some packages. Code build. Let me check my code build. All Gentoo and build. Let me check that. So the mask branch still on the OSC placement commit. Interesting. Get.com, Gentoo. Have I had any comments or anything? Thank you for the shout out. Hey, bro, we Linux people, we Linux streamers gotta stick together. We Linux people gotta stick together, like always. App missed fetch. Cyber Taylor did some commits, nice. Holy shit, Cyber Taylor did a lot of commits. And he also did Osiris. Bloom did a lot of commits. Valstar did a few commits. Valstar is fucking based. Okay, so that didn't broke CI. Thank you. And did anything break CI? Is the CI broken? Let me check. Okay. The CI. Okay, so CI is not broken. However, the package check stuff isn't broken. The duplicate stuff is still broken because of the pi env. Oh no, the pip env package, if I remember correctly. So far that I've seen, not gonna lie, like no hate to the maintainer, no hate to the maintainer, but their behavior seemed like kinda hostile, if you know what I mean. Because I don't if is Take on Ray FX still here. I don't know why I call you Take on Ray FX. Like that shit just the FX part just comes out of my mouth. I don't know why. Google bugs, but Gentoo org. Okay, not my bug. Wait. Did anyone talk? And here we go. Confirmed. Yeah, Greg, Break just assigned that to Rustlang into Docker, so that's nice. I don't think the Docker stuff is still. Yeah, this is unconfirmed right now. And the PR, I think, Let me check the PR. Yeah, the PR still isn't merged. Needs assignment. Need assignment. What? Bug lint. So, oh, wait. Oh, wait. Need assignment. So that's right. That was previously. So it has the proper labels. Someone, I think William was maintaining it, or am I tripping? If William was maintaining it, then yeah. Who was maintaining it? Gentoo bot, show me the message. Yeah, William was maintaining it. So that sucks. Because if I remember correctly, was it Imolo? Yeah, Imolo told me that William was busy because I think they were changing their setup or something like along the lines of that. I forgot the exact details. So yeah, that sucks. Well, I hope they'll come back and see the PR and hopefully merge it. Or someone else will. I don't know. I was about to check the pip env. Stand by. He's supposed to blah blah blah, confirm, ppnv, logs removal. Yes. The package has removed everything. It has an vendor upstream. The only thing left is pip itself. But it can be on vendor too. I've been waiting for your review many months. This seems like a personal crusade to remove this package. But as you are the god, feel free to do it. Instead of bringing people to Gentoo, you are simply driving them away. So yeah, that's what I was talking about. Like, first of all, I don't know the maintainer myself, and no hate to the maintainer, by the way, no hate to them. I'm just giving my thoughts, right? So this kind of seemed like a bit hostile, and I have actually seen the PR myself. So most of them, it's not that, it's the Gentoo bug. So GitHub, yeah, sub to Milo chat. If you're seeing this, to the one or two, three people that are seeing on Twitch and YouTube, subscribe to Molo and follow that motherfucker on Twitch. Also, follow Take on Ray on Twitch too, because they make great streams. GitHub.com, Gentoo. So yeah, this is kind of hostile. And if you think this is hostile, the PR is just kind of like, what are we doing here? So pip env. Also, I'm not saying hate to the maintainer. I'm just saying my thoughts, right? I'm just saying my thoughts. So OZ123, they did the PR, right? And I was seeing this, and I don't know if there is internal politics or something like that. Yeah. So they requested a review from Magoni 4 months ago. And Magoni normally said, and quite respectfully said, I'm sorry, but this is a complete waste of my time. Please find another reviewer or remove the package, or at least put minimal effort into actually implementing what people tell you to do, and caring to actually not commit complete crap. And I've implemented everything you've asked. Everything you've asked. I don't know what else I can do. Also, QA and package check scan show no errors. What do you want? Is there something in this end? PPNV. So Magoni pointed out some of the stuff. and commented out a few of their, if is there a reason they're half sorted, this, this, this. I told you to wrap lines and stop space indenting. Yeah, space indenting is like, it literally says on the Gentoo, what do you call it? The Gentoo policy, right? Anyway, so they force push it again. They pushed it again, and they requested a review again, right? And they added that, and they pushed it again, and pinged Magoni, asking them it again, and requested a review from Sam. And at this point, Magoni was like, "I'm sorry, but after further consideration, we have decided to remove PPNV from Gentoo instead. While we appreciate the effort put into this, and hopefully it will make it easier for you to publish the e-bills for PPNV elsewhere, the package is not suitable for Gentoo. It relies heavily on vendoring, which, to be honest, is a fucking pain in the ass. I have created scripts, 500-line scripts for Rust, to try to automate vendoring bullshit from crates, Rust crates, and holy hell, it's a pain in the ass. While I have not done this for Python stuff, I assume I'm taking an educated guess, and I assume that this is also going to be a huge pain in the ass. So it relies heavily on vendoring, and effectively every version bug requires significant effort. On top of that, the result involves heavy pinning on package versions, and it is unlikely for there ever to be a permanent solution to the problem. I mean, it kinda, there kinda is a permanent solution to the problem. Either not use pipenv or not use pipenv. Like, I just manually use the venv like normally and just not use pipenv. Also, UV exists, right? I have not used that, but UV does exist, and I have heard a lot of great things about it. Uh, and this is where it kind of gets like iffy, right? By we, you mean I, myself, and my mirror image. Who is we? Like, what are we doing here? Like, seriously, what are we doing here? Seriously, what? What? Effectively, every version bump requires significant effort, right? By whom? By the reviewer, for the love of God. Sam then commented, "It was discussed in Gentoo Python. It requires significant effort for us to review for you and respond to the review. Look at the number of comments and cycles back and forth in 39931, sorry, 39331 for request, which was this, and they pinged Eli, and some other people also try to comment. The Boney tried. Yeah. Holy shit. That's a long SPR. I'm not reading all that. Okay. You know what? I'll skim over it. I'll skim over it. So, module not found. Module not found. Holy hell. Yeah. PR from. Then this. Take for another look. Then this, then this, then this. That's not good. Fix it. Fix what typer? Yes. See, that makes no sense. Now take this. Disable attribute defaults. I'll continue the review. Go on request a review. Sorry, where we gave you please rebase. Yeah, the holy hell. This is kinda. So yeah, then PVA told them to add them to pool, and then they did it. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna comment like most as an outsider and say that it kind of seemed like some a little bit of a hostile response from the maintainer. If you know, like, I'm just saying, no hate to the maintainer, obviously, and no hate to anyone in here, but yeah, let's say like kind of hostile. I mean, yeah, and like I have like some creepy ass packages. And when I mean creepy ass packages, I mean like the evils are fucked, absolutely fucked. And I will try to add a review, like a work in progress PR for Guru. I think it was for Yazibin. And people were like, what are we doing here? So I was like, yeah, you're right. I'm just gonna add this to my own overlay and be done with it. 'Cause yeah, I think open source is not about like headbutting and more about like, creating stuff with people. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking about the situation. I don't know if I wanna open Gentoo chat on stream. Let me go to private mode. 2 seconds. It's 2 seconds. Okay, anyone is not. Yo, response is there. Nice. Although I don't know if people would like me to stream the chat. Although I know Take on Ray does it. But anyways, I'm not gonna stream the chat. I'm just gonna go to my work stuff. And I don't know why this video is sponsored by Israel. What the fuck do you mean? I'm not. What? I'm not having a mental breakdown in here. Anyways, I'm kind of sleepy. How long has it been since I streamed? It's been like 1 hour, right? Oh, not even 1 hour, not even 45 minutes. God damn. So, what should we do? Is streaming chat an issue? I don't think so. Although, look, why I'm not streaming chat is because, first of all, people be talking wild there, if you know what I mean. Like some people, like sometimes we'll be talking like wild shit over there. That if I live stream that, first of all, some people might not like that because of privacy issues, and second of all, like yeah, it's on stream, live stream, and second of all, yeah, because of privacy issues, like I can't just get consent from every single one in chat. Like, hey, can I get your consent to put your stuff in my live stream? Like, I'll sometimes I'll like open chat while I'm on stream. However, I don't like to do it like all the time. You know what I mean? Like, I try to avoid it as much as I can for privacy reasons. Like for me, like if I was to talk about random shit on Gentoo chat and someone was like streaming that chat, I would not personally talk on Gentoo chat at that exact moment. You know what I mean? Yeah, it boils down to more into privacy concerns mostly. And yeah, I know people can argue that yeah, it's a public chat, but it I'm just saying that it's kind of a basic etiquette or something like that. I personally don't like streaming most chats on stream. I mean, I don't mind my stuff being on a live stream. However, sometimes people be talking wild there, right? Like people, you know what I mean, right? It's RC. People sometimes talk wild shit there. So yeah, if we're talking about some wild shit, most of the time we're talking around people we know, others we know, some the other RC members that we know. And yeah, that's why I don't like to stream Shadow live. But anyways, what can we package today? I was hoping I'd package something. Zanable should be updated. What about LazyGit? Is LazyGit updated? Let me go to Z group. I don't want to ping Nagoni, but I wonder what happened to this PR. So yeah, still no comments of this. Interesting. So that's nice. And then it's GitHub. No, Holdbird again. Gentoo. That Hofster, I forgot their exact pronunciation. I think it was Hofster or something like that. Anyways, did Hofster merge the stuff? Let's see. What was it? Uh, types of author. No, not all authors. Fuck. Author, me, MPD, OpenRC, this one, XST, TrueSitter, probably. Hmm. So that was open last week. I wonder, what was our last conversation about it again? Oh, commit messages so bye. Okay, so I fixed that. And Ariel Seal told me so shouldn't we maybe also train. Uh, yes, so that's okay. Uh, Proximate. No, nothing. I wouldn't include the exact same text in both. Oh, fucking hell, Sam said that. I should probably reply to that. Cold reply. Well, I'm good with it. Because that's because So far from what I've seen from the recent from the carnival index, we are a Syrian dance children might just cherry pick one commit from here. So yeah, I live with the same text both. However, if the student wants to add both commits, no, not both commits. Both okay, both commits. Let me know and I'll change the PR commit messages accordingly with messages so it's and for series. No change messages instead of proxies. Nice. Close with okay, comment. Not close with comment, but just comment. XC, consider MPD. MPD only that was only who was maintaining it again? Huh. Only proxy. What? Oh wait. They don't exist, I think. Bugs thing? Bug is this. Edit this. Hopefully. MPD Docker free post. Interesting 7 all. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Maybe I'll package a few stuff. His XSD is still not updated. Tiny XSD is still not gonna be updated. No. GitHub.com. Why did I press enter? Fucking hell. Open clock. Fuck open clock. You know what, Dave? I'm gonna unfollow. Fuck open clock. Fuck 8 claims. Okay. I think this one is able, but then sounds seems really pretty though. Although it does use Claude. Has used Claude. Holy hell. If it has clanker, oh, it doesn't have clanker. Interesting. Nice. 13 text objects. Holy fuck. Indentation. Rest of indentation. Greedy outer indentation. Subword. Uh, Next to closing bracket. Any bracket. Code. No text quotation mark. Rest of paragraph. Entire buffer. UL. Character line wise. Column value. URL. And interesting. NVIM diagnostic. Host rows. Emoji. Bro. Maybe I'll tweak around with it a bit later. That's fine. To be honest, I should hold it. Not that. Yeah, that. Not in Google, but in. I'm feeling kind of lazy. I want to lay down. You know what? Let me just do that. Let me lay down and adjust my microphone that way. Adjust my headphones that way. Hopefully this will work. Because if it doesn't, then I'm gonna be sad. I wonder how's the chat quality. Sorry, not the chat quality. How's the mic quality is gonna be. But honestly, I'm just okay if it works. And I'm kind of tired to test out my audio quality right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay down the microphone this way. Maybe interesting. Where the fuck is it facing? Okay, it's probably facing properly. I don't know. And hopefully this will work. So, uh, let me open up this. Okay. So it is picking up my voice probably. I just wonder how it's gonna sound. Make it's good. Ah, nice, nice. Thanks, thanks. So what I'm actually doing is I'm currently laying down on my bed and I have just put my headphones because I use the microphone for my headphones. So I've just put my headphones on top of my pillow, and yeah, I'm just talking that way. So, and I don't have headphones connected on my ear. So yeah, I'm just talking that way. Okay, so probably let's go to shit, and then we go to my to-do files and try this one too. Maybe a bit later. And now, what to package? What to package? I can there. Gentoo SH, sure installed. Now to solve is unpackaged. Sweet GTK is unpackaged. Moz LZ4. I want to package that. I won't probably package. Okay, okay. You know what? Prettier and prettier deep. I could package those two. I could package those two, I think. Although they do use NPM stuff. No, not NPM. They use. I mean, prettier supports both NPM and uh, prettier. I don't have prettier, right? No, I don't have prettier. So EIX, prettier. Let's check the source code and the docs. Instead, it's prettier that right there. I swear to God, T sorting has like hacked into my brain or something like that. And I can never pronounce IO without pronouncing it like T sorting. So I just pronounce it nowadays like IO. And it's kind of funny too. It's kind of funny too. Okay, what is prettier? Why I don't need that. I need install prettier. That and yeah, it uses yarn. That's a problem. Although I had talked to Corona about trying to implement an E-class for yarn and NPM packages, but that turned out to be quite a bit of a pain in the ass. Or should I do that? I mean, it's 4 a.m. I should be learning rustlang right now instead of fucking around on Gentoo dev stuff. I should be learning. However, Gentoo dev stuff is like my addiction. Yeah, it's fun trying to package stuff. It's fun doing downstream dev stuff, but I should be learning Rust. You know what? You know what? I'm just gonna try to package that, and we'll go on from there. Or should I package that? Or should I just try to build an E class? What's my yarn version again? Yarn. Oh, so it has yarn of band. Oh, yarn cache folder. So it's supposed a cache folder. Emoji. Why the fuck would I use emoji? Oh, emoji is emoji is that. Name PNP, plug and play, force, frozen log file, R, save R route. What the fuck is HAR? R. HTTPS proxy, no engines, optional platforms, JSON, link to tickets, access at audit, auto clean, Ben, cache, fig, think I have prettier yarn. Yeah, shape it. Not yarn built. Yazi. I think power packs. Uh, get the XMG. Let me just do that. And let me feed it thing. So everything's squeaky clean. And it's detached. Oh, I don't know why the fuck it is in that. Anyways, this is just this. Interesting. Huh. And it, it just has that. Uh, right. Well, okay, so yarn build. There is yarn build and there is yarn. Let me check out some yarn packages and see how they're doing it. This is taking a minute. Huh, if I remember correctly, the lounge uses the yarn. Yarn. Huh. So yarn, verbose, interactive, frozen log file, cache folder. Huh. Applied, no scripts. Yarn. Yate. Vendor files. I'm just gonna go with vendor for now. Or should I not do that? Should I try? Okay, you know what? It's like 4:20:22. What I'll try to do is try to implement the hmm, okay, okay. At first I was thinking about using the stuff like crates for Rust. You know, because Rust ebuilds has a crates variable. However, I've seen. Look, can I generate a log file? Yarn dot back yarn. Ah, interesting. Interesting indeed. Resolution dependencies. Yes. So I could try to. Hmm. What mean? Resolution. Resolution. Let me just highlight that. Resolution. So it uses dependencies TS. Right, and npm more than that. The dependency is this Babel highlight. So, Babel highlight, Babel core, rainbow, m. Where the fuck is highlight? Babel highlight. For the love of God. Did I pronounce highlight wrong? Oh, okay. Interesting. Resolution. So let me just grab E. Okay. Like that. And probably use yarn to install this, right? So, uh, they're probably, yep, they're in, up there in bubbles. So I can try to do set and key resolution. Let me just this and this. And I'll just that. So, and since this is the first one, we're gonna do this. Oh, I know. Not that kind. You know what I mean. Set an E. Unknown option to S. So, oh fuck. Is this? But that's not a problem, I think. What does it mean, unknown option to S? What the fuck does it mean? I'm just gonna. What the fuck does it mean? Am I tripping balls? Like what? Bruh, I'm just feeling extremely sleepy. On top of that, set is not fucking working for some fucking reason. That's great. Mhm. Holy shit, I just kind of passed out. That's right there. I had to fucking sleep. It's like 4:31. No, no, I don't sleep. Shut up. So let me just stream for a few minutes. And if I just stop talking or doing anything, then I probably fell asleep. Right. Just that is not worth it. Piece of P is the problem. Wait, fucking hell. Now I understand what's the word. Now I understand. Interesting. Holy fuck, I can't keep my eyes straight and sleep. So yeah, I'll close stream. Man, I'll just go to sleep. So yeah, take care. Bye. Peace. Mm.